So in this property, we've got a standard combi boiler, and you've got the boiler that operates the hot water and also the radiators. So you have you've got simple instructions here how to set the thermostat. You will be given proper instructions in your handover pack. But if you just want to simply set the heating, you can just press the plus button, and as soon as it gets over the temperature it is in the room, you'll see this little flame symbol come on. That means that the thermostat is talking to the boiler and it's sending a message calling for heat. Okay, and if we walk around to the boiler now, just in the kitchen. So you can see now that the flame is on the boiler, so the two are talking to each other. You'll also notice that the pressure on the boiler is between 1 and 2, which is exactly where it should be in the green. You've also got here, you've got the temperature setting for the hot water. So you can turn the hot water all the way down to 40 degrees if you wanted to, if you've got anyone in the house that's sensitive to hot water, or you can turn it right up to 65 degrees. You can do exactly the same for the radiators. So the radiators can go up to 80, and you can swing them all the way down to 30. It recommends that the most energy efficient temperature, 69 degrees, that's where to leave it. Please be very careful, especially when you're cleaning. If you catch this button, like I've just done there, I've just disengaged the heating now for the whole house, even though it's very, very close to being into the slot. So that's your first port of call. If the heating doesn't work, maybe check if you've knocked that. If we look underneath the boiler, so here we have what's called the heat filling loop. So you need to make sure that the filling loop is connected. In most dwellings these will be disconnected. You need to screw them on yourself, and they'll have caps on. These two dials here, which will only go one way, the blue dials, you turn them 90 degrees both at the same time, and the pressure will start to fill up on the boiler. Everything else underneath here, this one here and all these, you shouldn't need to get involved with. You should just leave those alone.